Imagine trusting a robot to hang outside your window with nothing but suction holding it in place. Sounds risky, right? Well, that's exactly what thousands of people are about to do. But here's the twist. This new robot isn't just safer, it's smarter, faster, and designed to clean places you never thought a machine could reach. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why this little device might just replace your window cleaner forever. Ecovacs has just launched the Winbot W2S Omni, the latest in their lineup of window cleaning robots. At first glance, it looks sleek and compact, but underneath, it's packing some serious upgrades. Let's start with its new multifunction docking station. This isn't just a charger. It's the robot's home base, a storage unit, and even a control hub. Pop it in and you're ready for the next session. Battery life? A generous 4,500 mAh pack that gives you up to 110 minutes of cleaning on a single charge. That's enough to handle wide glass walls in one go. Now, navigation is where things get interesting. The upgraded WinSlam 4.0 system maps and plans routes intelligently, offering multiple modes: quick cleans, deep scrubs, or even zone-specific cleaning. And what about the edges? Usually the hardest part? The W2S Omni introduces TruEdge scrubbing. A rotating brush spins at up to 200 RPM, drops down to tackle stubborn dirt along the frame, and then retracts instantly to prevent streaks. Combine that with its four-sided cleaning load, and suddenly, the robot is working within just over a centimeter from the edge. But here's the part that surprised me the most: the safety system. With 8,000 pascals of suction, the robot clings to the glass while sensors react in just 0.2 seconds to detect movement or edges. And even if the battery dies, it stays in place for up to 30 minutes. Add in a safety rope, plus optional insurance for rare suction failures, and Ecovacs clearly wants you to feel secure letting this robot climb your windows. So, is it worth it? At €599, the Winbot W2S Omni isn't cheap, but you're not just buying a gadget. You're buying time, safety, and spotless windows without the risk of climbing ladders or dangling outside your home. If you've ever dreamed of outsourcing one of the most annoying chores in the house, this could be the robot you've been waiting for. What do you think? Would you trust a robot like this with your windows? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart tech reviews.